So, the Sidings is located right next to Penryn train station. Some people think it's a good thing, some people think it's a bad thing. Personally, I think it's a good thing. The trains come every 30 minutes, it's £1.80 if you've got a rail card, and it's just about convenience really.
Or destroyed or damaged by the security.
So here at the Sidings we have our own office. I'm just going to go and see if I've got any posts.
So this is flat 16, where me and Chloe both live, and I am number 1. So come on in and I can show you what number 1 looks like. So as you can see, this is where I live. It's a nice big room. I think this is a standard one, but you can get bigger than this. But I'll just give you a little tour, like MTV Cribs or something. First of all, my coat, if anyone wants to buy it, you can go to asos.com, but they're not paying us any money, so I won't tell you any further information. More shoes, because I am a Foot Locker god. I have many different types of shoes. I have knockoff Vans, actual Timberlands, with tea bags in them, because do you know what that does? That gets rid of the smell.
You have smelly feet then?
Well, you know, I try and drink as much water as I can, but it just doesn't work sometimes. The desk is quite roomy, as you can see. You can fit probably multiple people on it. And I have also fit a computer on it, which I use to do Photoshop, Adobe, left clicking, right clicking, and pasting. Here's the bed. It's got many pillows on it.
So, I'm in room number 3. My wardrobe's open for some reason. Someone's been stealing my clothes. So this is my bed. Freshly made. New bedding. Decided to put photos up on my wall. I've got a photo wall here. These are all people from back home. I'm planning on printing off some more pictures when I get an opportunity with my friends from uni, add some more to the wall. I've got my laundry basket here. Everything that I wear just gets thrown in that direction. If it lands in, extra point. I've got all of my like hair products and like makeup and stuff all over in this corner with a mirror. We've also got pin boards in our room, so up here I've got my new assignments and a couple pictures up here as well. I've got my open water diver badge right there. As you can see, some tickets for the Seal Sanctuary. I should go to the Seal Sanctuary at some point. Here I've got my shelves. So this one's just kind of like an aesthetic shelf. I've got fake plants because I'm incompetent of looking after real ones. I've got one for my cameras and stuff. And this is just for like putting random stuff, so like any birthday cards or stuff. Ready to send people, or if I just want to send people like a cute little note. There's a really nice shop in Falmouth called Whistlefish. I've always got my cards from there, and they've got really, really cute cards. It's not a promo or anything, they're just really nice cards. Itchy nose, hang on. So, this is my bathroom. I did give it a clean before you guys get to see. You've got a mirror here with a place that you can put any medicines and stuff in there. I decided to put something on the back of the door so I could have extra storage space for extra shampoo or anything that I need. Toilet, freshly bleached. Also got a sink. You've got good space underneath to store any extra stuff. And then you've got a light up here as well. So yeah, that's the bathroom. What should I do now? Oh, this here is my calendar that I brought myself and I thought I would really, really need. And as you can see, I've put nothing on it.
This is the common room and kitchen. It's where us commoners hang out and watch TV, make spaghetti. You'll probably eat a lot of spaghetti at university. It's very cheap, it's very versatile. This is where we wash up. We have a basket with 2 avocados in it. We have multiple chairs so we can sit and eat. We've done birthdays where one of us or two of us cook for that person and for everybody, which is nice. It's really important that if you move here, you make a good effort with your flatmates because they will be the people you are going to be spending a lot of time with. We were given this calendar by the Res Life people, but as you can see, we've put our own little touch to it. Live, laugh, love, of course. So we've got a cool couple of pieces in the living room. We've got the picture wall, obviously, and we've also got this really cool piece of artwork that Chloe got for us for Christmas, and it's all of the flat basically from term 1. So we've got Lewis, Sylvie, Reese, me, Isla, Chloe, and Josh.
So that was our Sidings tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. We'll be making more content soon, so I hope to see you there.